Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Up. Today I'm going to guide you on how to change FPL team name on iPhone. Make sure you already have the application and you're logged in. Now at this home page at the bottom you can see the option fantasy. You can tap over there. Now at this page you need to scroll down a bit. There you can see the option config leaks. You need to tap over there. Now here you can see options like status, pick team, transfers and more. We need to tap at pick team. Now scroll down a bit. Now just below the admin you can see the option team details. You need to tap over there. Now here you can see the box to write down your name or change your details. You can simply tap over that box and write down the name that you preferred. Not only this, but you can also change the team kit. And after you are done changing your name or your team kit, you can simply tap on update details. Now you can see that your team name has been changed. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.